Just for today, October 21st. God's will today. This decision demands continued acceptance, ever-increasing faith, and a daily commitment to recovery. IP number 14, One Addict's Experience. Sometimes we really live the third step and it's great. We don't regret the past, we aren't afraid of the future, and we're generally pleased with the present. Sometimes, though, we lose our vision of God's will in our life. Many of us dream of erasing the mistakes of our past, but the past cannot be erased. Many of us are grateful this is so, for our past experiences have brought us to the recovery we enjoy today. By working the program, we can learn to accept the past and reconcile ourselves with it by amending our wrongs. Those same 12 steps can help eliminate our worries over the future. When we practice NA principles on a daily basis in all our affairs, we can leave the results up to our higher power. It seems as though our members with the strongest faith are the ones who are best able to live in the present moment. Enjoyment, appreciation, and gratitude for the quality of our lives, these are the results of faith in life itself. When we practice the principles of our program, today is the only day we need. Just for today, I will make the most of today and trust that yesterday and tomorrow are in God's care